All right, we're starting Module 3, Lesson 11, where we're continuing to work on data. And in this case, we are collecting, sorting, and organizing data. In Lesson 10, you just had to interpret the data from a graph and answer questions. This time, you're collecting data, sorting it, and organizing it. In this case, you have to choose a question, pick 3 choices, ask your question, and then organize it to create a chart and be able to answer questions about the chart. Now, the question I chose was, what's your favorite pet? The 3 choices, dog, cat, and bunny. And instead of asking classmates, I'm going to ask my studio audience here. And I'm going to organize it by making a chart. Now, if you're doing this, you can ask your family members. I'm going to start by saying, Piper, what is your favorite pet?
Dog.
Beast Boy, what's your favorite pet?
Cat.
Hulk, what's your favorite pet?
Bunny.
He likes the bunny. Iron Man, what's your favorite pet?
Cat.
Starfire, what's your favorite pet?
I like the cat.
Thor, put down those chicken wings. How'd you get so fat? Fat Thor, what is your favorite pet?
I like dog. It's
Now,
delicious.
no. Now, I want to ask Cindy, what's your favorite pet?
I like the cat.
Harry Potter, what's your favorite pet? Owls are not in here. What's your favorite pet? Harry Potter.
It's like thinking that Hermione has a cat. I'd say cat.
Okay, so now I'm tally marking it. So the 5th one is the crosshatch one. So I've got 5 votes for cat, 2 votes for dog, 1 vote for bunny. And I'm going to do the questions now. So for this one, the questions are, what pet got the most votes? Well, it looks like cat got the most votes. How many people chose cat? Well, I've got to be able to do this in one more column. I've got 2 votes for dog, 5 votes for cat, and just 1 vote for bunny. Depressing. So, how many people voted chose cat? 5. And how many people did you ask? Now this is the important one. To figure out how many people you asked, you have to add up the total in each category. 5 and 2, well, we've got 5 plus 2. 5 and 2, grab the big guy, count up. 5, 6, 7. And then 1 more, 7 plus 1, 8. And there's my answer, 8. So, how many people did you ask? 8. All right. Thanks.